project, first I took a cardboard and covered it with white paper, then I covered it with color paper. So for this science project I am going to make a fan. Let's see how to make it. So to do this fan model, we should first take our fan model kit. You can find this in any stationery shop. So you will have a kit of battery, switch, motor, some wires and this thing which you are going to connect to the battery. You will have light and fan.